another one, ladies and gentlemen. Congratulations to number 3. Congratulations, number 3. Congratulations, number 3. And last, ladies and gentlemen, to conclude our awards with another gift. Congratulations to number 18. Number 18, hello po. Okay, thank you so much. May lahat na naka-receive ng awards po.